Are you looking for a roof rack but you're not sure which one to get? Steel or aluminium? Well, let me show you in this video what I did. Welcome guys to another week's episode. Man, it's been a hectic couple of weeks. I finally got time to film for you guys because I've actually started my own online pet store. Yeah, if you want to have a look, furryfriendshut.com. You can just hop straight onto that website, and if you're a pet owner you can find all the cute little stuff on there. But anyway, let's talk about the real stuff, roof racks. Let's get into it. Alright, so basically why I went with an aluminium roof rack is because it's so cheap. I got this one for $150 off eBay. It's a 1.4 by 1 meter aluminium roof rack, and it also came with these awesome little clips here that wasn't shown in the ad, so I was pretty happy when I saw them because they can clip straight onto the P Pro Rack bars. I think I bought them for $50 on the marketplace. So yeah, just check out secondhand deals because you are able to score absolute bargains on there. Normally I carry 2 to 3 camping chairs on there, a camping table and a massive gazebo, and it holds up pretty good. I've been on 4 or 5 trips now and it's looking good as new. So yeah, I definitely rate it. It's super durable. Oh yeah! As well, as you can see, and super lightweight. So that's the good thing about this car, especially because it doesn't have a lot of power and it can't take that much weight. So that's why I went with the aluminium roof rack. I can literally hold this thing in one hand. That's how light it is. So yeah guys, ultimately I would definitely go with aluminium roof rack over steel because it's lighter. It's probably not as durable, but who cares? It's cheap anyway. Another thing, it doesn't make any wind noise. If you're wondering, it doesn't make wind noise, it doesn't because of its aerodynamic design. Well, there you go guys, there's my opinion about roof racks. I would always go with aluminium because it's strong, it's lightweight, especially for my car. And how good does it look on this one? Perfect for Pajero IOs if you own one. I'll put the link in the description so you can find it on eBay, and it's free shipping as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys have on your cars and why did you go with steel, or which one do you prefer, aluminium or steel? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.